Hello guys, welcome to another video from Softworld Institute of Technology, and today we are learning how to install and configure Python on Windows 10. The steps are similar for lower versions of Windows. In this video, you will learn to install Python, configure it, and then we'll try our hands on the idle app. Now the lesson. Let's head to Chrome and search for Python. You'll see the download link. Click on the link and then you see the Python site open. You see the yellow button, you download on it. So that will download the latest version of Python for you. So you download. After the download is done, double click on it to install. You will be presented with options to either customize or install with default settings. The first one is install now. To install with default settings, then you have the custom installation. That will allow you to customize where you want to save Python, where you want your installation files to be saved and all that. So I'll be using the custom installation method. So I'll create my own folder called Python, and then I'll send the installations there. Now to do that, you click on the browse button and then a window pop up for you where you can create your own folder and then you can install your files there. Now you can see the installation is in progress. Let's give it a short time for it to complete. Now installation is done. You can now search for Python among the installed apps, as you can see on the screen. Now let's click on the idle app and then let's try a simple print command in Python. So as you can see, print hello world, and then you press the enter key, see the result, hello world. That's a simple print command in Python. Let's see something else. You can put anything that you want in there and then it will be displayed for you. That's a print command in Python. So this is what I'm typing. This is Python, then voila, it appears for you. You can also create a new file in the same idle shell app. So you can type in the print command as well, and then after that you can save. When you save, you can run it to see how it works, and then you see it will display the same result for you. So that's how you create a new file using the idle shell. But in real programming life, we'll be using VS Code. And that will come in the next video. In the next video, I'll show you how to download VS Code, how to install it, how to configure it to be able to use Python. So you can customize it, you can put any word of your own there. After that, you save. This is how you save, and I'll give it a name and I'll save on my desktop so that it will be easy for me to access. This is my first code .py or .py. Then you click on the save button and then we can run it and see how it works. So run model, voila, you can see it's on the screen. The result is right here on the screen. Now move to the next one. Look at the Python shell itself. And the same way we can type in the print command to see how it works. Now let's try the Windows command prompt, or you can also use the Windows PowerShell. And then when you type in Python and your installation has been successful, you see details of Python displayed on the screen. Secondly, you can check the version of Python by typing Python space dash dash version, and then it will tell you the version of Python you are using. As you can see, we are using Python version 3.9.1. That's what we are using right now. You can also check pip, the version of pip, and you type pip space dash dash version, and then it will tell you the version of pip. Pip is simply used for installing Python packages. If you want to install any Python packages, you type pip space install and then the name of the Python package, and then it will be installed for you. So that is Python.